friends, it's Miss Garcia here. Today we're going to be playing with some cars, okay? First, I'm going to be making a ramp. Alright, do you have any books in your house? Maybe some big books that some adults have in your house? Alright, here's my books. I'm going to make a ramp here. Can you make a ramp too? Why don't you try it? What car do you think today? Should we do the green car or the purple car? I like the purple car. I think we should do the purple car. Okay, you ready? We're going to go over some of our words today. First, we're going to need our box too. Look, I have a container. It's our garage. The cars can be parked in there. I'll put this purple car in my garage. I'll put my white car in the garage. I'm gonna put my green car in the garage. Oh, and guess what? My giant truck, this is really silly. It's gonna go on top of the garage. What? I hope he doesn't fall and he's on that garage. Okay, I got my purple car. He's gonna go down. Ready, set, go. Whoa! He went so far away. Okay, let's choose our next car. Let's take our green car out. I'm gonna make him go under my bridge. Ready? He's gonna go under. Oh, he's under the bridge, yeah. Okay, here comes my white car, ready? He is scared of this ramp. He does not want to go on the ramp. He's gonna hide. He's gonna go behind the books. He's hiding. Okay. What about my purple car? Where should my purple car go? My purple car wants to go next to the blue car. The purple car is next to the blue car. They are both on top of the garage. That is so silly, friends. All right, let's do one more thing with our ramp. Both my green car and my white car are going to go down. Ready? Go! Oh, they crashed. Okay, ready? Purple car, go under. All right, last thing. My truck is going to go behind the books. He's hiding. He's going behind. All right, we're all done with our ramp. Let's put it away. Okay. Next, we're going to follow directions using a parking lot. You ready? All right. Here's my parking lot. My friend in the green car, he's so hungry. Can you take him to the grocery store? Nice job. That's the grocery store. What is he gonna buy at the grocery store? Do you think he will buy some chicken nuggets? Do you think he can buy some ice cream? Yeah, I think he can buy all of these things. Okay, green car, you stay at the grocery store, go shopping. All right, can you send the purple car to school? He needs to learn. Nice. Who do we see at school? We might see our teachers and our friends. Mr. Henderson, Miss Garcia. That's right. Okay, last one. Can you send this purple car home? He's tired. He's ready to go to sleep. Nice job. Who do you see at home? Your mom, your dad? Okay, let's try something different. Ready? Okay, this one's going to be tricky. Let's use two cars. Let's change to our white car, our big car. Listen, send the white car to the grocery store and the green car to Mattahunt. Send the white car to the grocery store and the green car to Mattahunt. Nice job, you did it. Okay, let's put them back. Let's listen to our next direction. I'll give you 2 cars this one. Oh, send the purple car to the doctor and the green car home. Send the purple car to the doctor and the green car home. Nice job following directions. Send both cars to the grocery store. Both cars. That means all the cars. 2 cars to the grocery store. Oops. They crashed on their way back. Oh. All right, friends. Our parking lot activity is all done. Okay. I'm going to turn my page and I'm going to make a race car track. Let's see. Who's going to race today? Okay, here's our race car track. I'm going to take this little red purple car, okay? Here's our race car track. Ready? Okay, I'm going to tell you what's happening, okay? You can try this at home too. The green car is next to the purple car. Uh-oh, the green car is in front of the purple car. It's in front of the purple car. It's gonna win. It wins. Yay. Okay, you ready for this one? Uh-oh. This car is driving in a circle. This car is driving crazy. He is not on the road. So silly. This car is driving on the road in a circle. Nice job following those directions, friends. Let's move on. We're going to play one more game today. Are you ready? All right, friends, the last thing we're going to play is our secret delivery game. Who wants to make deliveries today? I think first our truck can make deliveries. Okay, this is going to be a guessing game, so I need you guys to have good listening ears. I want you to think about what I could be talking about. Ready? All right. This truck is delivering an animal. This animal lives in the jungle. Do you know what it is? This animal says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. This animal swings in the trees. Did you guess it? This truck is delivering a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Okay, monkey, let's go deliver you to someone's house. There you go, little monkey. Delivery complete. Okay, I think you guessed that monkey. You guys probably knew. I bet you're not gonna get this one. Let's see. Okay, this guy, he is going to deliver something that I find in the kitchen. I find a lot of things in the kitchen. This is something that is silver, and you use it to eat chicken. I think I know what it is. Do you know what it is? This guy's delivering a fork. Oh, he's delivering a fork. Okay, drop it off. You dropped it off at someone's house. The white car is all done delivering. Okay, green car. Green car is ready to deliver. The green car is delivering another animal. This animal lives on a lily pad. Sometimes it goes in the water. Sometimes it goes on land. This animal says, rivet, rivet. I think I know what it is. Do you know? Oh, the green car picked up a green frog. Did you guess it? Rivet, rivet, rivet. Okay, last one, friends, then our work is all done. The last one is our purple car. Our purple car has a very special delivery. He is delivering something that's purple, just like him. This is something that you might use with Miss Michelle. You might use this with your occupational therapist in OT. This is something you use with paper, and you use it to cut paper. Do you think you know what it is? I think I do. Little car, what are you delivering? Whoop, our car is delivering some scissors. Okay, Gar, make your delivery. All right, we delivered everything, friends. We are all done with our activity. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.